Hello guys, welcome to our channel A to Z PCO. Uh, we provide one-to-one and group training. You can contact us via this mobile number that is mentioned on the channel. So today we'll look into Hammersmith Bridge and we'll cover all these routes one by one. So let's look at the first one, which is Brackley Road to Verdun Road. This is this one. So once again, you can see there where the green point is and the red point. So we are traveling from green to red, and uh, and I'm just going to zoom in here just to show you where exactly we are at the moment. So we'll start from here. So click on this, and then you just come down here. Click on this, come down here, and it's a one way. So we can go this way here and come down here and go this way. So let me just zoom in a bit just to show you, and then we'll come all the way down. So all the way down, just make sure you don't touch the black lines here, and from here we turn left. We'll turn left from here, and then here you can see that this is a roundabout, so we'll just go through this roundabout. So that means we'll stay here. So this is the roundabout, and from this roundabout we'll come here and then stay on the left side. So just keep going straight from here. Just make sure you don't touch those black lines which are on the side. So keep going there. So let's see where our red point is once again, just to show you. So zoom out a bit. So this is where the red point is, and we are here at the moment. So what we need to do is we'll just keep on going straight from here, straight from here, straight from here, and then from here we'll go from this side and go straight from here, and from here we can turn here because this is a flyover, so we can turn from here and keep going straight. Same, straight from here, staying on the left side and not touching the lines. And once again, this is where we need to go, so we can turn towards this road here, carry on with the same route, go straight, and then we are here, and just click on this point here, and we have finished our route here. So you can see that this is the most direct route. So yeah, so this is the one where we talk about Hammersmith, but this is the direct route. Just make sure that you don't touch any of these sidelines. Okay, thank you for watching.